Miraculous rescue. Restored VW bus survives California wildfires. A vintage Volkswagen T2, nicknamed Azul, blue in Spanish, has been fully restored after surviving last year's devastating Palisades fire in Southern California. The vehicle, a striking white hoverblue model, captured public attention when a photo of it standing amidst charred wreckage went viral. Volkswagen has now completed a meticulous restoration, showcasing the resilience of both the classic bus and the human spirit. The fire and initial survival when the Palisades fire swept through Southern California, Azul remarkably survived, though heavily damaged. The fire's heat blistered the paint, melted plastic components, including a turn signal cover, and left the bus in need of extensive repairs. Yet it stood as an unlikely symbol of hope amid widespread destruction, sparking widespread interest. A labor of love, 2,000+ hours of restoration. Volkswagen pledged to restore Azul, and the process was far from simple. The automaker's Oxnard, California facility, home to its historical vehicles, took on the project. Over 2,000 hours were spent replacing or repairing more than 900 parts. The restoration was complicated by previous modifications made by earlier owners, making it difficult to source original components. VW partnered with GE Cudensport, a Porsche restoration specialist, to meticulously rebuild the bodywork. Finding replacement parts proved challenging. The team had to hunt down a factory option clock, an unused side aerial antenna, and matching fabric for the window shades. This demonstrates just how rare and valuable this particular model had become. Public debut and collector's edition, Azul will make its public debut at the Los Angeles Auto Show, where owner Megan Weinraub will be present. Volkswagen has also partnered with Candelab to produce a limited edition wooden collectible version of the restored van, available exclusively at the show while supplies last. After the auto show, Azul will move to the Peterson Automotive Museum for an exhibition from December 4 to January 11. This restoration is more than just fixing a vehicle. It's preserving a piece of automotive history and a testament to perseverance in the face of disaster. The story of Azul is a reminder that even in the aftermath of devastation, symbols of hope and beauty can endure.